Today we'll talk about how can you add your password on your Fika. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just click on security here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time. Then you go down, click here on password. So when you click on password here, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on delete password. So then it's going to show for you this list. Then here confirm here code from notifications here. It's going to show for you here. Then add this code, then add your password. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.